afternoon. Welcome. This is Jam Year 2014 Government Pass Question. Question number 47 says, the UN succeeded the dash. The UN succeeded the dash. Now I want to talk of UN. UN means United Nations. So it's an abbreviation for United Nations, and it was established in 1919, immediately after the First World War. Then immediately at the failure of League of Nations, because League of Nations was established in 1919 after the First World War. Then United Nations was established in 1945. In 1945, that's when it was established. So the UN succeeded League of Nations, not Warsaw Pact, which means promise agreement. They're not NATO and not C2, so it succeeded League of Nations. And because League of Nations failed to prevent the Second World War from occurring. So option D is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.